welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Maria. So today, we're gonna talk about the gestational diabetes and we're gonna unbox a glucometer that I just bought today from the hospital because they're having a special program for those pregnant person that been diagnosed with gestational diabetes. So this is the one. So later we're gonna unbox this because I need to try this out. And before that, I'm just gonna explain why we're gonna talk about it. So for those people that don't know, I am currently on my 28 weeks on my pregnancy. So last week I do my OGTT, which is it's an oral glucose tolerance test. So normally they do this test between 24, if I'm not mistaken, 24 to 28 weeks of your pregnancy. So I do this test last week, and yes, I have this gestational diabetes. Okay, so how they do it? How will I be tested for this OGTT? So what they're gonna do, they're gonna ask you to do some fasting. So from 12 midnight you cannot eat anything or even water. So that day my last meal is around 11 p.m. until the following day because my schedule is around 9 a.m. in the morning. So I went to the hospital and do the test. So this one is they're gonna take 3 blood test sample in every 1 hour. So sorry. So the first hour they just gonna take you a blood test. So I don't know why is that. Then after 1 hour, before the next blood test, they're gonna ask you to take this glucose drink that you need to take within 5 minutes. Sorry, because I have a código here. So yeah, then after 1 hour taking the glucose drink, they're gonna take you a blood sample again, and then after an hour again, another blood test. So total 3 blood tests within 3 hours. I mean, 1 hour in between. So after I take that, I go home, and sadly they call me, not even because they say they're gonna call me before 6. If they never call me before 6, then everything went well. But yeah, it doesn't go well. So they call me around 3 p.m. on that day and inform me that there's abnormalities on my second blood test. So what is GDM? Is it gonna affect the baby? Okay, for as what the hospital explained, normal blood sugar level is essential for healthy pregnancies and babies. Abnormal blood sugar level can result in the following: your baby growing bigger than the average, and yes, that's true. A big baby increases the chance of injury during delivery as the baby's shoulder may be stuck in the pelvis. Second, your baby has a higher chance of low blood sugar level or it become jaundice after birth. And third, you're having a higher chance of developing high blood pressure during pregnancy, preterm birth, needing induced labor or cesarean section, and stillbirth or death of baby in the womb. So that's why we need, for those having a gestational diabetes, we need to monitor our blood sugar. So how is GDM treated, or the gestational diabetes? What do you call it? Mellitus. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you need to do a healthy eating, exercise, so that you can manage your GDM and optimize your blood sugar. Then there will be a dietitian that will work with you to do a personalized eating plan, or maybe you can search in YouTube, in Google. There's a lot of meal plan for the gestational diabetes. You can find from there. And then you will learn how to well balance your meals to support your pregnancy and advise on carbohydrate amount and portion sizes. So they also recommended that you must do exercise at least 30 minutes a day. And yes, But before doing the exercise, you must consult your doctor if you are capable to do any exercise during your pregnancies, because some pregnancies are very sensitive and we cannot do it anyhow. It can cause anything to you and to your baby. So, okay. Do we need a medication for GDM? Okay, for some people they needed a medicine for this. Some is they need to inject some insulin to your blood sugar level so that it will maintain. Okay. So, yeah, how I managed to get it. Okay. Actually, I really don't eat much of sweets, but because rice is life, so I eat a lot of white rice pasta in the past few weeks before my test, which is I did wrong, which is I do wrong. I supposed to control my diet before my blood test coming so that everything will went well, because this is not my first pregnancy, this is my second pregnancy. My first pregnancy is okay. I only have UTI, but my sugar is okay. But now my UTI is okay, but I got this gestational diabetes, and as you all know, I have PCOS. So PCOS is most probably prone to this GDM, and yeah, it's my mistake that I didn't manage well my eating habit. So what they do is they ask me to do this test. Yeah, they asked me to do this test to monitor my sugar level every day, before I eat and after I eat. So okay, so we're gonna unbox this Accu-Chek Performa, and I bought this for $50. So it's include, okay, so the whole set is $35. So includes 6 pin inside plus 50 test strips. And also I bought some extra pin because you cannot reuse the same pin, just for safety purposes. So okay, if you go to the hospital, I think some hospital will ask you to buy this kind of thing. Some hospital, I think you can rent the glucometer itself. And yes, and also the doctor will give you this attached paper. Actually, they email me this this paper. So what you're gonna do is you need to write every time you eat, before you eat, after you eat. So you need to record it so that the doctor will see how your blood sugar goes well. So yeah, we are going to open this now, because actually I supposed to take this around 4:30, but now it's already 4:48 because I cannot really manage the time. What time do I need to do the test? So my last eat was 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, that was my lunch. Okay, so once you open, it looks like this. So there's a pouch. What is this? Okay, it's like a blood glucose conversion table. Target for, maybe this is just I don't know, it's just a piece of paper that you need to, like a guide. Guidebook, another guidebook, and I think this is the how to use the device. Okay, so in front of the box, if you don't know how to use this thing, you can scan the QR code and it will lead to the YouTube, and they're gonna explain it how to use it. So okay, we're gonna take out this strip. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Okay, inside, so they have this the glucometer itself. There you go. The pen that you need to do the finger pricking, and the free 6-pin that included on the package. So it's just a small patch, very handy. You can bring anywhere every time you need it. Okay, so as for the strips, okay, this is how it looks like. There's a 50 pieces. So I think I need to buy more, because this one I think is only good for maybe half of a month or 3 weeks. So I need to get more, because I need to do tests 3 times a week, 7 times per day. So yeah, so there's a guide maybe, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna open this. Okay, so there's a battery behind. Okay, so there's a button on top. Okay, so here go, is working. Once you open the button here, so it will turn like this. But before that, I need to off this thing first. Okay, I need to set up the pen first. Okay, you just need to open. Okay, I close it again. So you just have to open the tip part. Okay, actually I watched this video already earlier, and you need to put this thing on inside. Okay, I think it's okay already. Okay, wait na. Okay, you see? Then you need to put back the lid inside. Okay, so you can see this is the number of pin inside, and for the number below, this is how the depth of the pin. So what they say on the YouTube, you try first the number 2. But before we start this, I need to alcohol my hand. Actually, I'm scared with the pin, so I don't know if I can do it alone or not, because my husband is not around. Okay, good luck to me. You pray for me, guys. Okay, I already do alcohol. I alcohol my hand already, but before you alcohol your hand, you must wash your hand with a soap, then you alcohol again, so at least it's more sanitized. Okay, they say you need to prick your finger here, so good luck. Okay, we need to take 1 strip. Okay, after you take the strip, you must close this one properly, so that the air won't go inside and it won't be contaminated. Okay. Okay, I'm so nervous. Okay, we need to on this thing. Okay, so you can see this, you need to put in on top. This would be on top. Okay, so now it's loading. There you go. Okay, now it's waiting for the blood. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry guys. So here's the blood, and then you just need to put inside. Okay, there you go, it's reading now. It's 5.2. Okay, good job to myself. Yay! Okay, where is the paper? 5.2. This one is after I eat. Okay, so it's a bit low with 0.3 because the normal 2 hours post meal, it should be the normal target control is 5.5 to 6.6. Mine is 5.2. So I just need to, okay, I just need to record it. Wait. Okay, today is, what is the day today? Is it 5? Yes, today is 5 of August. So I'll just write over here. This one is 2 hour post after lunch. So it's a 5.2. Okay, so later before dinner, I need to take it again, and then we see how it goes. So yeah, so I thought it would be hard for me, but there's a shock when I prick myself with the pin. So you just need to take this out, and yeah. Okay, then just off the tape. And for us, this pen, you just need to press this. Okay, so now using the 5th pin. So yeah, that's all, guys. That's the only thing you have to do when you want to do your when you want to do your glucose, and you want to use your glucometer. So I think I'm gonna end this video here, and hopefully it helps you how to use this glucose meter. There's a lot of type of glucometer. Actually, I ordered from Shopee, but because Shopee, it will take a while, so I got no choice but to buy a new one because it's urgent. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna finish here. So see you guys again soon, guys. Bye.